Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so let's do one interesting mathematical activity now. This activity will help you to understand the concept of fractals. You know what are fractals? You heard of this term before? This term was coined by a mathematician named Benoit Mandelbrot. Okay, so fractals are nothing but geometric shapes that exhibit self-similarity. That exhibit what? Self-similarity. That means they appear same at different angles. Okay, fractals are nothing but shapes or patterns that repeat itself no matter how much you zoom into it. Okay, no matter how much you zoom into it, they repeat itself. Okay, zoom in or out, they look same at different scales. Understood? They are never ending patterns. Okay, fractals occur in nature also. You might have seen snowflakes. Okay, snowflakes you might have seen only in the movies, but you have seen lightning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, lightning, branches of trees, broccoli. Yes, all these they exhibit the never ending pattern, that is fractals. Okay, they look same at different angles, how much ever you zoom into it. Okay, so we'll do an activity now. We'll try to create some simple fractals like Sierpinski triangle. Okay, we have done it. Can you show this to me? Okay, see, this is Sierpinski triangle. Okay, this is Sierpinski triangle. Okay, so how to do it, how we have done this, how we created this. So first what we have to do is take an A4 size paper, okay, and draw one big size equilateral triangle. What is an equilateral triangle? All three sides are same. All three sides are equal. Okay, so we drew one large equilateral triangle on a paper. Okay, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to find the midpoints. Where will be the midpoint? At 10 centimeter in the center. Midpoints of each side. You have to find the midpoint of each side and then join them. Then join them and then cut that center triangle. Okay, so it will appear like this. See, you will get it like this. Okay, see, you removed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay, you removed it. See, like this. Fine. Okay, then after that, three shaded triangles are there.
Yes.
What you will do? Again, you will find the midpoints. You will find the midpoints of each shaded triangle again, join them and then cut and remove them. See, it will look like this. Okay, you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, so we got 4 triangles out, then it will look like this. So how much ever you zoom into it, it will look equilateral triangle only. It will look same. Okay, so this is called Sierpinski triangle. Understood, kid? Okay, so this is a simple fractal. Okay, understood? Did you understand the concept of fractals now? Okay, so, Sierpinski triangle. So you can do it like this. Understood, kid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you put this at the back side.